What's up, guys? This is Will's Guidance to More, back with another video. Taking a look at some string protectors that I picked up for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You pick these up on Amazon.com. The price is $8.95. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. These are the ARMORSUIT MilitaryShield string protectors, and these are going to be case-friendly, anti-bubble, HD clear film protectors. These are not tempered glass string protectors, and I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. Some of the features and details, like I said, these are ultra HD clear and amazingly thin, perfectly matches the contour of your device. Easy application with flexible material. It's designed for maximum full coverage on curved corners and edges on your device. These are created with a stretch-proof, ultra tough, optically clear, yellow resistant material, and is custom fit for each particular gadget and device with full body and string protection. Now, the MilitaryShield has a self-repairing technology which helps eliminate minor scratches on the film all by itself. So this is going to help to reduce dust, oil, and fingerprint smudges. This kit's going to include the string protector, insulation spray, squeegee, microfiber cloth, instructions, and a lifetime replacement warranty. So I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and read some more about this product. But I have used these in the past. The reason I'm putting this on now, I do have a tempered glass string protector on here, and I'll show you guys. It's kind of got beaten up a little bit, so I want to try these out and see how they work. So here's the packaging here. As you guys see, you get the lifetime guarantee on here, MilitaryShield, and they have their website. And then it's going to give you a lot of that information that I read on the side of it here. It does recommend using a blow dryer too on the edges to help it stick on the edges. That's what that is saying right there. So that will help it to, and you use it on the lowest setting too. You don't have it on the high heat. So let's go ahead, get in here and see what we got in this packaging. Now, like I said, I've used these before, and it's been a long time. I've been using a lot of tempered glass string protectors, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this because the tempered glass really feels great on here. So in this packaging, you're gonna have your string protectors. You're also gonna have right here, look like your microfiber cleaning cloths, and you're going to get your squeegee as well. So this is a 2-pack, and then you got your spray here that you spray on your display, and that's to help it stick. And let me go ahead and get this package open as well. So unboxing knife on deck. So you're going to get your installation instructions here. You can scan that QR code. It'll get you everything you need to know. These are pretty straightforward though. You want to spray your fingertips and spray the device, power the device off. And here you are. We got 2 of them. And then you can watch the instructional video as well. So all right, guys, so here's my tempered glass that I've been using, but as you guys see, it's starting to get beat up. There's a spot here. That's another little spot right here where I dropped it, and this corner is all jacked up. So I do have a spare one, but I'm going to go ahead and try these out since I've already ordered them. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to wait a couple of days before I make the end of it and let you guys know what I think about it. So let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, so I have the screen protector on and just going about strolling through. It feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like a piece of plastic on there. Feels great. Now, it does say to give it about 48 hours or about 3 days before it completely binds itself to your display here. Now, I do have a few spots here. I think they'll disappear within a day or two. The hardest thing is getting these edges, but you guys saw I use a hair dryer to get this, and this probably could have went that way a little bit more, but the fingerprint sensor works great. No issues. I didn't have to re-register. Now I'm going to finish the video off. The end of the video will be about 2 or 3 days later, which you'll see next. All right, guys, so it's been about 2 days since I put the screen protector on there, and it is holding up well. Those few little specks there, I think those are dust particles that got trapped up under there. But otherwise, the screen protector works. It's working well and holding up well. I do suggest, if ARMORSUIT is watching this video, that you include the dust removal stickers in here. That would help. But overall, it's pretty good. Now, as you guys see, I have a heavy-duty case on here, so it will work with your all cases. I got this type of case that has this framer going around there, or you can use it with your thinner cases as well. Now, one issue I had with the using the tempered glass screen protector on here, it was kind of this type of case was interfering with the tempered glass. So one thing about this type of screen protector is going to work pretty good with every case that you have out there. So you guys see, strolling around still feels great on here. Now, it's not exactly the same feel as tempered glass, but it's not that cheap, really cheap feeling. Some of these film protectors like this could be really, really cheap feeling, and this one's not that. Now, it's going to attract some fingerprints throughout the day. Not too bad. I mean, you just keep your cloth in your pocket or something and just wipe it off. They wipe off very easily. Fingerprint sensor work great. Strolling around feels pretty good, and this will work with several different type of cases as well. So this is a great alternative if you don't want to spend the extra money for a tempered glass. Then I definitely would recommend this. Some people they just don't like the tempered glass. So this is the ARMORSUIT screen protectors for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The link will be in the description if you guys want to pick it up. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.